even just from my time in recruitment, I think every time I've engaged with hiring managers across the space, and this is country by country, by the way, not just the UK, um, there's definitely they want to hire women. They do want to do that. Now, in terms of flagship careers as a woman, you've got to be right up there, in the industry by far. And I know you're already doing a lot of work on this, or you've previously probably done a lot of work when it comes to trying to inspire women to choose a career within our space. I suppose what has been what's been the key to your success operating in quite a male dominant environment? So that's known. I suppose what can we do to then look to inspire and showcase that this is a good career for females as much as it is males?
Yeah, I struggle with this question always. First of all, I think um, it is when I try recruiting today for every one engineering job, where if we receive one female applicant, we have probably more than 10 male applicants. It's a matter of pull first, and how we can improve that is a kind of total cultural shift, starting from family onwards, and engineering, physics, science. These are not purely a talent-based area. So you learn it, and you integrate your creativity maybe. But engineering is about learning and developing and moving on from there. So I don't believe gender plays a role here. It is more about social and family culture infusing into our society. And beyond that, I've been lucky enough working for top class companies, and for companies like CNH Industrial, in example, or Williams, the same thing, or the others that are engaged. For us, the most important thing is finding best talent and integrating them into our businesses. And once we have them, it's not about actually any sort of diversity. It is about having the best people and giving them the opportunities to progress in their career. So yeah, it is. I think we are progressing. In some of the engineering areas, especially in computer sciences, robotics, AI kind of fields, we have more and more female engineers now in our organizations. Yeah, I think we are progressing in that.
Yeah, I do. I think the awareness will continue to grow, but I agree with you. It's like a grassroots level, like they'd say in football, wouldn't they? But it's like start with family, and then it's also probably, if we look at the UK structure, it's also looking at actually raising the awareness of such careers at an earlier age. That's where you can get a bit of a disconnect.
Yeah, sure. I mean, engineering is so exciting. I think um, there are a few other things quite exciting, but engineering is an exciting field, and I don't think it is male or female, or it has really been at the forefront of technology and producing um, products, tools, services, advancing the life of humankind. It is quite a noble thing to do, actually. Yeah, and
Yeah,
some of these things for us are given. Having our mobile phones or being able to speak and record a session nowadays are given, but these are all being achieved uh, by the talent and investment of their lives of engineers and visionaries. So uh, maybe engineering is sometimes underestimated, but ultimately look around you, everything you touch and feel has been engineered by an engineer. So it is quite an exciting area.